Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Today we're going to give this old secretary's desk a new look. We're going to be using a product called 1 Hour Enamel. It's made by Wise Owl and it is completely self-leveling, self-curing. It's a really cool paint, a little bit tricky to blend with. I'm going to be doing a lot of blending, but you'll see that I won't be using any water. It's enamel based, so the water doesn't really work very well with it. So I'm going to have to move super fast. Are you ready? Here we go. I didn't want to mess with the inside of this. I could not get all those partitions out. Ah, man, I tried. So we're just going to go ahead and tape that off and we'll make that wood look wonderful at the end. Let's go ahead and start with primer. This is a clear primer made by Wise Owl, and what this is going to do is help our paint adhere, but it's also going to block out any tannins that might want to pull through. So it's going to give us a double bang for our buck. We're going to be using a couple different colors. This is cashmere in the enamel. This is the gray, and we're going to be using abyss. Oh, I got those backwards. Well, you know what I mean. Let's use our Klingon S50. I'm just going to give it a little spritz of water because it's very dry. That'll moisturize my bristles, and that way we can get the super smooth finish that we're going for. Starting out on the bottom, we're using the lighter colors and a little bit of that peppercorn. That's the gray down there. As I go up, I'm just going to keep adding more and more abyss. But I'm using the same brush, so I have those other two colors on my brush already, which will really help the transition and help it all to blend better. Remember, with this, we can't use water, so we've got to move fast. If the paint starts to dry on you, which it does dry really fast, then just dip in, get some more paint, and start applying it that way. It worked out really well, but it is something that is definitely a move fast process. You need to get it, girl. Just keep it going. One of the things I love about this enamel-based paint is that it's self-curing. So it's perfect for pieces that you don't want to put a sealer on. It has a really great, beautiful finish to it. This is what I use on floors. It's going to be perfect for kitchen cabinets, kitchen counters, exterior doors, things like that. It just has a rock hard finish without having to apply a sealer. It's a pretty cool product. Little bit nervous about doing the roll top because it's a bigger space, and again, we need to move super fast. We can't reactivate this paint. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cashmere on there, and then we'll start blending in some abyss and see how that turns out. In the end, I think it turns out really well, but again, move fast. And as you can see, I messed up right there and I got my paint on those top drawers. So we're gonna go ahead and give those another layer to make it all blend in. had those old porcelain round, kind of a ugly brownie color knob. So we're gonna go ahead and switch the hardware out and put on my favorite scoops. They just give everything a more modern look, and yeah, I love them. I get those off Amazon. All right, so now we're gonna use DIY's Dark Wax. It's a really good product, and you can see I'm just gonna take my fingers and start rubbing it into all those scratches. And it's gonna act like, well, like an old English or something like that. It's just gonna fill in all those scratches and make it look pretty darn good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that everywhere. Right, let's wipe off that excess wax because it didn't stick on the places where there weren't scratches. It just went down into the scratches to fill those in. This is Wise Owl's furniture salve. It's a wonderful, wonderful product, and it's going to just bring this entire surface back to life for me. And that's it, guys. Look at this top. It just came out so beautiful. I love this paint. I love this finish. Tell me what you think of it in the comments below. Don't forget, you can get all these products on my website. You guys are awesome, and only you can make it happen. Thanks for watching.